As you ask this question, I will teach you something about money. One thing. Varuna, there's only one thing you can use to get the attention of Varuna. Only one thing. And don't forget, I told you, all the wealth in the sea is owned by Varuna. If you need money and you know how to invoke his presence, you will make money automatically. You don't need to do anything. You'll be a rich person. I never thought I was going to take this, but as he's saying, I'm going to do it. How to attract Varuna? You know lotus flower. Lotus, a common flower. It will so. Lake is so there common. If you want to get the attention of Varuna, you will take 3 lotus flower. The blossomed one. They are being You take 3. You come to the seaside on a full moon day or on a dark moon day. You say your things on the flowers and throw all the things into the sea. After some time, only 2 of the flowers will come out. The 3rd one, you will never see it. Take those 2 flowers and go and keep it where you keep your money. You'll be a rich person. Now we are telling you now, take it and do it again. For the 10th time, it will not come again. When you get only 2, you won't get 1. So in the first one now, it means last call ending. So you might see the 2nd time. So trading in a bar, at least after the 3rd time, you won't get all the 3 hours, you get only 2. So that 2, you know when you record that you don't keep pussy cover. Now they are 2. India, I'm looking for this time, you won't keep pussy cover, you have cards, okay, cards, you keep your money, you have the cards. So you're telling me I should add this thing. Thank you. No money in the night. First thing is like our page on Facebook Transformations. We call YouTuber. Now we subscribe to our channel, Transformation Era. And na opeswa obetimi ya download your app no, Transformation Radio app. All the videos are there. The video bi amaye bia no Transformation Radio app no. Obetimi ya video no. Ana obefa numbers yi. Now I contact the office and they say me patch me join a transformation. No? So number is 0245 006467. Then second number is 0302 918808. Oh, contact number now. There's no need calling. Just send a message. Please, me will Sunyane, me will Kumasi, me will US. I want to join transformation. Just short message. Nipa na best send the contact number of the executive number of that area now person joining. Our groups, we pay for registration because your members they will be an ID card.